Alright, Joshy, where'd you get those new PJs from?
Santa Claus.
How do you know it was Santa Claus?
Because there was snow.
There was snow? Where'd the snow come from?
Christmas.
From Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Do you know any Christmas songs? Which one?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Can you sing it?
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you can even say he goes like the light bulb out of the yellow reindeer. You can laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph turning any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, if your nose so bright, won't you get my sleigh tonight? Over the yellow reindeers.
Shout it out.
Whiskey.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
You'll go down in history. You'll go down in history.
Alright. Are you going to bed now?
Yes.
Santa's coming? Okay, say goodnight and Merry Christmas.
Good night, Merry Christmas.